Hi friends, it's Sarah and I'm coming at you today with another unboxing. Well, an unbagging at least. So, my dear friends at Unzi Store have sent me a package with a few outfits in it. I may have cheated and have a bit of already had a bit of a peek in here, but oh well. It was mostly because the label doesn't say who it came from and I wasn't sure. So now I know because the telltale yellow packaging is inside, but I didn't look too far into it. So, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing and see what is in here, because I have actually forgotten what I picked, because I have a terrible memory. So we're just going to open this bad boy up and go, whoop, and dump it all out on the floor. So, ooh, what have we got? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different things. And we're going to start with this one. What are this? We've got a something with a something. This looks very cute. Looks kind of tan as well. Interesting. Not usually my color, but let's just open this little baggie up and see what we got in here. Oh, I remember this one. So this looks very, very cute. It's like a little three-piece? Yeah, three-piece like suit kind of a set. So we've got like this little plaid mini skirt going on, and then we have a matching jacket. Very cute indeed. And then we have what looks to be a blouse. Let's just open this up. Ooh. Oh, it's like a, okay, little tube top thing. I think that's probably to go under this. Oh, I see. This is very see-through. Like, I can see you. That would be why there's a tube top attached. Gotcha. Anyway, it's quite cute. It looks like it's like a little button-up thing, and then it's got a little tie doodad thing, and it's gonna be very cute, I'm certain. And it'll look good on, like, underneath the little jackety thing. That'll be okay, I suppose. Thank God for this. Oh dear. Oh dearie, dearie, dearie me. Alright. So that is outfit number 1. That's gonna be cute as heck. I actually even think I have some, like, brown shoes that would go with it. I know, don't freak out. I do actually own, like, non-brightly colored things. Not many, but I do have some. Anyway, that'll look cute. I'm looking forward to trying that on. I hope it looks as cute as I'm thinking or hoping that it will, as I will be very sad if it's not. Now, before we move on to the next one, we need a little sippy. Because in Adelaide, it is, like, hot as heck right now. As in, like, I was about to say, I'm going to look at my watch and check what the time is, but I'm not wearing a battery flat. We got home from the movies this afternoon, and it was still, like, 40 degrees, and it was almost, like, 7 o'clock, and I'm just like, why is it so hot? Ugh, I'm melting. Like, actually melting. Anyway, must stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is important, kids. On to the next baggie. Let's pick this one because it was on the top. Got a cool little yellow Ziploc Unzi Store bag. Ooh. Oh, I like the look of these. These are shorts. Aw, they're cute. I'm holding them backwards. Sorry, guys. Look at these little guys. So they look like they're distressed. Distressed? Is that what I call these with like the holes and stuff? They're distressed pants, right? I'm not just making that up and thinking that they're upset. But anyway, look, it's got like a cute little ribbony thing on the side and some little pom-poms. And look, it's a strawberry. I love strawberry stuff. This is great. So those are cute as heck. I'm gonna wear so much of these. Like, it is summer here. And there are some situations where wearing skirts is just not appropriate, i.e. to work sometimes, so shorts is where it's at. And these are cute. Yes, we like this. You're going in the pile. Let's move on to the next baggie, which is this. This looks like a rainbow colored something. I think from memory, this may be a top that I chose specifically to hopefully go with those shorties. Ooh. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. Look at all the colors. I love pastel bright things, and this looks really cute. It's like a little crop, and so like, yeah, that'll go really cute with those shorts, right? Don't you think? Like that, and then these are high-waisted, and they can go like that. That'll be really cute. Oh, yeah, no, I like that. I don't usually pick crop tops these days because, like, you know, I am in my 30s and I don't enjoy having my midriff hanging out. But I must admit, I am warming to the idea of crop tops. They're not so bad, especially if you're wearing like a high-waisted something and, you know, it can either tuck in or you just got like the teeny weeny little strip of skin. Like, I think that's okay. I don't hate it so much. So that'll be cute. Hopefully my belly button doesn't hang out. That will be good. Alright, so we've got 3 more. A 1 and a 2 and a 3. Huzzah! Looks like we're opening this one next. Now this looks like a skirt. It's got some nice colors in it. I am pleased by this. We enjoy things with nice colors. Oh, whoa. Onesie store. What is this? Nope, it's a label. Okay, you can go over there. Ooh, so we have a skirt. This is cute. I will wear it with things. Actually, I'm pretty sure it'd go nicely with this top I'm wearing right now. What do you think? Woo! Yes, we like this. We like this. I'm not sure I got anything to go with it. That's okay. I have many of tops. I have many tops that I'm sure will look great with this. It's cute. We love skirts. I probably have too many of them, but oh well, I'm gonna wear it anyway because it's good. And again, we're gonna stop and have a little make a sippy cups. You gotta have a sippy cup. This one I got from Kmart, but it's got cordial in it and ice and cold water, and it's nice because even though we've got the air conditioner and the fan going, it is still really hot and I'm melting. This is the actual worst. Anyway, moving right along to second to last baggie. Oh no. Let us see what we've got in here. Oh, this looks like a set. This does look like a set of some kind. Ooh, what have we got here? Oh, we've got a t-shirt. This is kind of cute. It's a t-shirt that says Honey Sweet, and it's like glittery and shimmery. Yeah, it's like purple, sparkly, glittery stuff. That's cute. I like that. I've been liking purple a lot lately, in case you guys haven't noticed. Because I think it goes nicely with the color that my hair is these days, since it's not quite as pastel as it used to be. But yes, we like purple. Now, let me show you the skirt. So this is like a matching set thing. We have yet another pleated skirt, because like I needed more. But look, isn't it cute? So it's got the whole schoolgirl thing going on almost a little bit. And then it's got a little zipper up the back with a dangly doodaddy. I don't know what that is. Yeah, and it's only got a couple pleats at the front here, and then the rest is just kind of plain skirt material, so that'll be good with that. Very, very cute. I'm very looking forward to trying all these on. These outfits are going to be adorable. Yes! Alright. Yeah, up to the last bag. No. But it looks fun. It's got some nice colors in it. Again, we like bright colors. It is summer after all. Well, it is summer in Australia. I know I have a lot of Americans that watch me, and yeah, you guys are probably freezing whilst we are melting. Anyway, last but not least, we have, this is a dress. This is a dress. Now look at this. This is very, very cute. I like it. I think the pattern is a lot more white than I thought it was gonna be. I think this looked a little bit different online to what it does in real life, but either way, I still think it's going to be quite cute anyway. I quite enjoy dresses like this because, like, you can wear it as a dress, or you can get yourself a high-waisted skirt, chuck it over the top, and you've got a whole different outfit. How good is that? Anyway, that's actually all of my bags. Yeah, that's everything. So what we're going to do now you know what's coming up. You guessed it. Time for the outfit try-on montage. Get it? And that, my darlings, is the end of the outfit montage. Please do tell me in the comment section which outfit here was your favorite and why. Would you wear it? Let me know. I want to hear your opinion. Also, my last unboxing video? Yes, my last unboxing video. Someone complained that when I had finished unboxing the thing, I didn't put the box on my head. I am terribly, terribly sorry for this, but unfortunately this time I don't actually have a box because it came in a bag. So, I present to you the bag bonnet. I can still kind of put it on my head, right? It still counts, and I'm not suffocating, so we have the bag bonnet. There we go. It's a thing now. We're making this a thing. Anyway, if you have enjoyed this video, please do make sure that you subscribe because you love me. Don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment, and until next time, love, love. Bye-bye now.